Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March the 23rd, 2020. Countries start to withdraw from Olympics 2020. Canada became the first country to withdraw from the Olympics 2020 in Tokyo due to the coronavirus pandemic, and Australia told its athletes to prepare for the Games next year as Japan and the IOC flagged the prospect of a postponement for the first time. Opposition to holding the Games in July rose sharply over the weekend, with major stakeholders such as US track and field and UK athletics, along with some national Olympic committees, calling for a delay because of the pandemic. On Sunday, the International Olympic Committee said it would hold discussions over the next 4 weeks that would include an option of putting back the July the 24th start date or even moving the Games by a year or more. Then on Monday, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe told the parliament postponing the Olympics may become an option if holding the Games in its complete form became impossible. SoftBank shares rise amid plan of buyback. On Monday, SoftBank Group Corp announced its plan to sell or monetize up to 4.5 trillion yen, $41 billion, in assets to buy back 2 trillion yen of its shares and reduce debt. This move sent company's stock soaring to its biggest daily gain in nearly 12 years. The decision comes as SoftBank's share price has been hammered by investors' skepticism over the outlook for CEO Masayoshi Son's bets on startups like WeWork and Uber. SoftBank's share price extended early gains on Monday, jumping 19%, following the announcement of the asset sales, which will be executed over the next 4 quarters. New Zealand prepares for a month-long lockdown. New Zealand is preparing to enter a month-long nationwide lockdown from Wednesday night, with the entire country ordered to stay home apart from those in essential services. On Monday, the nation was given 2 days to prepare for schools, businesses, and community services to turn off the lights in a desperate bid to stem the spread of the coronavirus. The move came after the number of cases of COVID-19 in New Zealand rose past 100. The lockdown will last a month, and if the trend of cases slowed, could be partially eased in specific areas after that. Toyota to develop fuel cell truck with Hino Motor. Japan's Toyota Motor Corp said on Monday it would develop a heavy-duty fuel cell truck with its subsidiary Hino Motor Co. The company sees hydrogen technology as a zero-emissions alternative to battery power for large commercial vehicles. Toyota said the truck, based on Hino's Pro-Fan model, would be equipped with 2 fuel cell stacks developed for the next model of its Mirai fuel cell sedan. It would have a traveling range of 600 kilometers, 373 miles. Japanese car giant has long touted fuel cell vehicles as the ultimate green car and sees the technology as more efficient than battery electric cars. Global shares continue to fall due to COVID-19. World shares declined on Monday as a rising wave of national lockdowns threatened to overwhelm policymakers' efforts to confront a potential global recession. E-mini futures for the S&P 500 lost 5% at the open, while Euro Stoxx 50 futures tumbled 6.4%. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan dropped 3.8%, with New Zealand's market tumbling a record 10% as the government closed all non-essential businesses. Shanghai blue chips slipped 2.3%, though Japan's Nikkei rose 0.8%, aided perhaps by expectations of more aggressive asset buying by the Bank of Japan. On the commodity market, Brent crude futures fell 65 cents or 2.4% to $26.33 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude contracts added 29 cents or 1.3% to $22.92 per barrel.